Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision TV. I'm your host Eddie Guna, and this is a channel where we look at sports differently. Now, we've all heard the big news. Well, I don't think it's much of a news, we all know it was coming, but Demarai Gray has gotten his citizenship and is now awaiting his passport. We know the process, was progressing, nicely. So I just wanted to take the time out to say this. If you're planning on representing the Reggae Boyz, now is the time. This is the last call. Get your preparations underway. Dot those I's and cross those T's. Now is the time. Demarai Gray has done his part and the process is pretty much over. If you're interested and you're in the diaspora, start your process now. You do have a lot of time. I do not want to see new players coming into this Reggae Boyz team making their debut in World Cup qualification games. Players, forward now. Now is the time. You don't want persons coming last minute. We're trying to build a squad. We're trying to integrate as much players as possible. We're trying to gel. Come home now. The World Cup qualification games starts in March 2024. We pretty much have 9 months to go. So a lot of time for persons to put in their applications, link Pika, try to get the citizenship and try to get the passports in hand. I know there's a lot of players that might be unsure if they want to switch allegiance and come and represent the Reggae Boyz. Again, you have 9 months. 9 months to get your stuff in order, 9 months to make up your mind. This process generally takes a bit of time, so start now. Start now because the gate for me should be closed even before the 9 months, maybe around 6 months, because at that time we should be in high preparations. Coach Al Grimson should at least know his squad and know the players in which he will be dealing with going forward. Again, no more surprises. We can't take 3, 4, 5 players coming in last minute to upset the apple cart. This is something that we've been suffering for decades from. Players coming in late. And we cannot continue to do the same thing and expect different results. We're not stopping anybody, but come in early. That's all. Come in early and try to make this team. We need as much competition as possible, but we need those players coming in early. So this is the last call. Be like Demarai Gray. Get your paperwork done early and be ready to play games, gel, and get your practice in leading up to the World Cup qualification games. Last call. Players on the fence. Either you stay on the fence or you make a decision. Either you jump off and come to Jamaica, or you stay on the fence and hope and pray that England gives you a call up. I will say jump off the fence, but do it now. So there you have it, fans. Just my thoughts on the whole issue of getting in players. We have a lot of potential players, young and old, that qualify and that can represent the Reggae Boyz. But we need them to start the process now. Don't wait to the last minute. Alright? So let me know if you agree with what I have to say. Or if you don't, tell me why. So drop those comments in the comment section below. This is Eddie Guna. Thanks for listening. And always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Daniel Blake, sports journalist, telling you to like, share, and subscribe to Eddie Vision.